And so this is an example of the program that she started back on track to prevent recidivism. And this is a news clip from 2007.
It's about success, and it's about accountability, not criminality.
The brainchild of San Francisco District Attorney Kamala Harris, Back on Track tackles what Harris calls the root of low-level drug crimes: education, poor work skills, and a lack of community commitment. The public-private partnership with Goodwill and a network of local banks, colleges, and businesses transforms lives by giving participants the life skills needed to make it crime-free.
Everyone in Back on Track is either full-time in school, full-time employed, or a combination. And what they're required to do is to meet all of the steps that we create to allow them to be productive and, therefore decrease the likelihood of them reoffending.
That means monthly training meetings on health care, finances, parenting, and above all, personal responsibility.
We fundamentally believe in this notion of a shared responsibility. We fundamentally believe that work can be transformative. Okay, work can be transformative, as is community service. So essential to Back on Track is this notion of get them in a work-based experience, highly structured with a lot of support, and also get them back in the community, giving back.
Deborah Alvarez-Rodriguez, president and CEO of Goodwill, works closely with business leaders to place Back on Track participants with good-paying full-time jobs. Opportunities, she says, keep offenders on the straight and narrow.
Both the DA's office and Goodwill are adamant that Back on Track is not a social program, but rather a crime prevention program. They say that investing in re-entry is both being smart on crime and also fiscally efficient, and they point to the numbers. Prosecuting a felony costs $10,000. Housing an inmate in the county jail, another $35,000 a year. But the cost of Back on Track, just $5,000 per participant.
And you've completed your community service, I understand.
Regular appearances before a judge remind participants that a jail sentence is just an infraction away. And success? Dependent on 12 months of hard work and at least 120 hours of community service.
Part of it is a re-socialization of these kids who feel they're outcasts, that they don't have a place in society. And it's just so satisfying when they graduate and you see them go away, and at least the last image you have of them is they are back on track.
Yeah, so that's sort of what being smart on crime is about.